What time is it, folks? Yes, it's unboxing time. Come along, let's do some unboxing. It's unboxing. It's an unboxing day. It's an unboxing day. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's an unboxing. It's an unboxing. It's an unboxing day today. Oh yeah. There we go. Let's unbox this little box. This was my Christmas gift from my brother. Now, he gave me the funds and said, get what you want. So I got what I wanted. And it's been here, as I said, a week. And I've been waiting to open it. Let's go. Let's open this box. Exciting times. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. What do we need to do first? Tea. Cheers, folks. Paperwork. Okay. First things first. Let's see. Haribo. Who's it from, I ask you? Let's bring you guys a bit closer. Let's bring you guys a bit closer. So here we are, all close and intimate. As I showed you, my Haribos. And when you get Haribos, of course it's from my favourite suppliers. My favourite online supplier, Slotcar Union in France. Merci beaucoup. So, let's see, what do we look at first? Let's get the biggest item out of the way. There we are. Something I've been wanting to get for one of my particular corners I had in mind. And it was something I was putting off getting, but when my brother said, get yourself something, I thought, oh yeah, let's get this. So of course this is the Carrera, the hairpin curve. Okay, and it's based on the R1 curves. So I have an exact place I want to put this. And my track is analog, so this gives just to add a little bit of interest where the cars can get in front of each other. And my track is small, so a few little interesting things, just to add a little bit to it is always fun. So, I'll be putting that on the track later today. And quite a heavy box actually. Quite a heavy box. Yeah, very interesting. Let's open it and have a look. Okay, so as you can see, it comes with the curves. And then, okay, we've all got the bits in there. Guys, you'll see when I fit it to the track. That's what it consists of. Moving on. Next item. Okay, so we moved a wee bit. First item, I should say first car, is one of these. Let me see. I'll cut this here. Exciting times, always exciting times to receive cars. And I must say, Slot Car Union always packs so well and delivered by DHL. And I've never had a problem. Everything's always been perfect, absolutely perfect. Highly recommended. First car, Sky Electrics Lotus. I've been waiting to get some Formula Ones. I love Formula One, especially Formula One from the 80s, 90s, 60s, 70s, and then back to the earlier open wheel cars, completely skinny tires like the old Cooper stuff years ago. And but modern Formula One I still like, but it's a bit of a procession now. Bring back refueling and make the cars a bit more, you know. Get rid of Red Bull. Okay. Here we are, look at that. Isn't that lovely? That's lovely. I like that. Very nice car. I'll do a proper review on this later. But that's it. Car number one. Formula One. Absolutely lovely. Next up. Now, you can't have one Formula One car without another. You're not going to be on your track. You're not going to be racing your Formula One car against a Mini or, you know, some other car. So. Oh, that's beautiful. I love the modelling on this. I don't know if it's a higher quality modelling. I know the cars have changed, but the helmet detail is wonderful. I wonder, is that a brand new mould, guys? Who are in the know. Is that a brand new mould? Or is that a reissue of an older mould? Because this next one, the quality is stepped up a bit, I think. And that's the Williams. But the quality seems to have stepped up. The helmet detail is so much crisper, you know? So, let me know, guys, what you think. Is that an older mould? Of course, cars have changed, but it just seems to be, if you look at the helmet, smaller. Everything seems a little bit. So, I wonder. They are both beautiful. I love those. So, that's the start of my Formula One collection. I'm not so mad into the supercars, so I won't be getting many down. I'll be getting some classic Formula Ones, modern Formula Ones, and I like rally cars and saloon cars. So you have, you know, Revo Slot, definitely a good selection of rally saloons and stuff like that. Polycar for Formula One cars and lots of other stuff. So I wanted to try out some different brands. So you know, I have the Revo Slot Escort, which I'll do a review on. And I have some Sky Electrics cars. And I had a choice. I could have bought these two Sky Electrics cars, or I could have bought two other brands. But the price difference was big when you have a few cars together. So I decided, let's start with a couple of Sky Electrics, because I've had Sky Electrics for years and years. But the next car is my first Polycar. Yeah. My first Polycar. And I wanted to get one of these because I've never had this brand before. I've had SCX, I've had Ninko, I've had Fly in the past. Did I have Fly? I think I might have had one Fly in the past. But I definitely had Ninko, FCX. I never had Carrera because they weren't around when I was in the hobby. Don't worry about that. I know what I'm doing. Okay. So I wanted to try different brands and, you know, explore what's available and what I think of quality from different brands. So here we are. Is this? So Polycar F1 car. I'm very intrigued, very interested with this. So to have a wing, a different chassis, a wing underneath and a chassis underneath, and a packet of silicone. Don't eat the silicone. Some other parts. Very good, very nice, very professional looking packaging. You have your wing here. Is it flexible? Plastic wing. Okay. So a little few bits you have to put onto this to finish it. The front wing and the rear wing. Yeah, isn't that lovely? I have to say, guys, modern phones, this, I don't know how the guys drive with these wings on the car. That would drive me crazy. Driving with this thing in front of your face all the time. I'd be trying to, like, I don't know how to do it. That would drive me crazy. I know it's for protection, but that would drive me nuts. But anyway, that's a lovely car, lovely detail. Yeah. Do a review on that in a while, okay? Another one for review. My first Poly car. And of course, perfect selection of Formula 1 car. I can compare it with my Scale Electrics. Let's see what the comparison is. Okay, let's put that back into its cardboard box. Harry. I tend to be very ham-fisted. Always was. Awkward, you know. Okay, so we have that. Okay, this is the last item. Okay, why did I get this vehicle? Why did I get this car? Well, I got this car because it was a good price. Would I have bought it at full price? No. Let's be honest, I wouldn't have. And would I have bought it in digital? No, I would not have. Why did I buy it? Because it was a good price. What is it, I hear you ask? There we are. It's just Mustang that everyone seems to have. This concept Mustang. Let's open this box. Oh, I forgot we have our Carrera. Now you might find this interesting. So don't sign off yet. Don't run away from me yet. Stay with me for a minute. You might find this piece interesting. Okay. Now, if this is a runaround car, it'll be good for maybe, I don't know, use it for beginners. It's a very good price. Special offer. Evolution. If you want to see a good price on this car, go to the discount special offer part in the menu in Slotcar Union online store in France. Have a look at the price of this. Good value. If you want one of these, go to Slotcar Union. Now there's just one thing I need to do. So bear with me for a minute. Okay. Here's this car. Are you intrigued? There's this car. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Okay. Where's my glasses? Okay. Let's bring you a bit closer. Let's tilt you down a bit. There we are. Hello. Okay. Yes. That feels much better. And You see this? This will be getting cut as well. Oh God, Harry, what have you done? This will be getting chopped as well, okay? See this here? That piece, that'll be getting chopped. So guys, did you enjoy that? So much nicer without that ridiculous looking piece on it. Yeah. Am I the first one to do that? I don't know. Maybe I am. Lovely. Much nicer. I'll tidy it up. I'll trim it up. I'll cut this off as well. I'm not particularly fond of the front, but if I start changing the front, I'll have to start cutting the chassis as well. So much nicer to get rid of the wing here. Chop it off, get some plastic card, and maybe put a little bumper. Might do something like that in the future with it. There you go. I didn't like it. It wasn't for me. Now it's improved greatly. Looks a lot better now. Sorry, Carrera. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I'll do some reviews and I'll give these a test run on the track. I'll have a bit of fun with it. It's just the Evolution version, okay? And check it out on slotcar, you know. These are new. They haven't sent me these yet. What are they? Strawberry flavored something. Yeah, I'll give them a go. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll do reviews on these, individual reviews on these cars later. So, bye-bye.